Did you know that over 80% of people experience skin issues like acne, dryness, dullness, and wrinkles at some point in their lives, especially after 50? These common problems can affect your confidence and overall well-being. So in today's video, I'll share the best 6 easy face masks to make at home that are not only effective, but also made from natural ingredients. We all want clean and glowing skin free from problems. However, stressful situations, excessive work, lack of sleep, and various health problems can make our facial skin look tired and sluggish, with pimples, blemishes, and wrinkles. But don't worry, because today you will discover 6 of the most effective face masks that will restore health to your skin and give it the glow it needs. These homemade and completely natural face masks will free you from acne problems, pimples, open pores, wrinkles, sunburn and redness. These simple and easy masks will help you correct various skin problems and save your complexion. So let's unlock the secret to radiant skin together, say goodbye to expensive treatments and hello to glowing skin, in just a few simple steps with natural face masks that can save your skin. If you are watching a video on your healthy zone for the first time, subscribe and press the bell to avoid missing the following videos. Number 1. Potato Mask. This mask is excellent for freckles and blemishes, because the sun often leaves unsightly dark marks that can be reduced. For this particular mask, you will need only 2 ingredients, a potato and a lemon, but you can also add half tablespoon of honey for hydration. To prepare it, grate the potato well in a bowl and add the lemon juice. Mix both ingredients well with a spoon until it becomes a homogeneous mixture. Apply this mixture to your face in gentle circular motions, leave it for 20 minutes, and then rinse with lukewarm water. You can apply this mask every other day, and in 6 days you will start to see your skin clear of freckles and sunspots. Number 2. Turmeric Mask. This mask soothes skin irritation and redness by reducing inflammation from sunburn and helps restore the skin. You will only need a tablespoon of turmeric powder, a tablespoon of avocado, and a tablespoon of yogurt. Be careful to choose the right type of yogurt, and it is preferable to choose organic yogurt. To prepare the mask, mash the avocado with a fork or in a blender until it becomes a paste. Add the yogurt and turmeric to a bowl and mix well. Apply this excellent mask to your face, leave it on for 5 minutes, and then rinse with lukewarm water. You can apply this face mask up to twice a week. Number 3. Cucumber Mask. This mask is ideal for opening pores, reducing or removing wrinkles, and creating natural collagen. You will need a cucumber and an egg white, preferably organic. To prepare it, briefly beat the egg white, and grate a 1/4 cup of cucumber. Put both the ingredients in a bowl, mix them well, apply the mixture on your face, and leave the mask on for 15 minutes. You can additionally put 2 slices of cucumber on your eyes, and relax. You will see positive results even from the first application, and you can apply it up to twice a week. Number 4. Lemon Mask. This is one of the best face masks to make at home, and will help you eliminate pimples and acne problems. In addition, it will absorb excess oil from the skin, and help repair damaged skin. The ingredients for this mask are 1 tablespoon of lemon, an egg white, a tablespoon of honey, and a tablespoon of milk. Beat the egg white briefly, and add it to the bowl with the other ingredients. You can also add a tablespoon of oats, for even better results. Stir to mix well, apply the mask to your face, and leave it on for 15 minutes. Remove the mask by rinsing your face with lukewarm water, and you can use it up to twice a week. Number 5. Oatmeal Mask. This mask is also great for oily skin, treating acne, and removing dead skin cells. You will need 1 tablespoon each of oats, pure olive oil, honey, fresh lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, and a sour apple. Put the oats in a blender and grate the sour apple separately to prepare it. Next, you will take 3 small bowls, and in the first bowl you will mix the ground oats and olive oil. In the second bowl, you will combine the grated sour apple and honey, and in the third bowl, you will mix the yogurt and lemon juice. To use this mask, take a makeup brush, apply the first mixture of oats and olive oil, and leave it on for 5 minutes to dry. Next, apply the second mixture of sour apple and honey with the brush, and let it dry for 5 minutes. Finally, you will spread the mixture from the third bowl with the yogurt and lemon juice, and leave it on for another 5 minutes. Rinse with warm water, and you can use this mask twice a week. Number 6. Chocolate Oat Mask. The chocolate and oat mask is ideal for acne, oily skin, wrinkles, and sensitive skin. To prepare it, put 1/3 cup of cocoa, a 1/4 cup of honey, 3 tablespoons of oats, and 2 tablespoons of milk cream in a bowl. Put the oats in the blender, add them to a bowl with the other ingredients, and mix well with a spoon. Apply the chocolate mask to your face using your fingers or a makeup brush. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and rinse with warm water. You can also use this mask up to twice a week. Follow some of these tips to get the best results. Test your skin first for possible allergies to an ingredient, by spreading some of the masks on the skin of your hand, or just above your eyebrows. Wet your face lightly, before applying any mask. Make sure all the ingredients you use are fresh and preferably organic. Apply the mask following the correct direction for your face, to get even better results, which you can see in the corresponding figure. Always avoid the area around the eyes and mouth, to avoid irritation. Once you apply the mask to your face, you should not do anything but lie down and relax, so the skin is calm. When the respective time for each mask is over, do not delay removing it, and if you feel any discomfort, rinse immediately. Use only water to rinse off the masks, and avoid any cleanser that may cause skin problems. Every skin type needs the proper water temperature, to get the best results on your face. Dry skin performs better with warm water, while oily skin does better with colder water. However, it is best to use lukewarm water for every skin type, as it will not dehydrate the skin, and does not lead to dry or oily skin. Once you remove the mask, remember to moisturize your skin with a good gentle moisturizer. Remember that the internal hydration of the body is vital, for healthy and glowing skin. Be sure to drink about 8 glasses of water a day. Any face cream or mask will only be helpful, if you drink enough water or healthy drinks. Lack of water means less shine, less moisture balance, and an increase in the aging process. Depending on your goal, you can quickly get these ingredients to help your skin immediately. Prepare these tremendous and easy face masks, and see your skin glowing, and free from all skin problems. We all want clean and glowing skin free from problems, and these 6 homemade and completely natural face masks will free you from acne problems, pimples, open pores, wrinkles, sunburn and redness. However, if you have severe skin problems, talk to your dermatologist before using any face mask. So, have you ever used any of these 6 homemade face masks? Do you use face masks, and how often? Also, if you want to learn the 9 amazing benefits of oregano oil for skin health, the safest ways to use oregano oil, and the best practices for applying oregano oil effectively, watch the video on the left. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring the wonders of nature's remedies.